Violence erupted at Namdilong Naga village in Kanglatongbi today after security forces clashed with Naga and Meitei protesters during an ongoing sit-in protest demanding justice for 6 Liangmai Naga villages reportedly killed by Kuki militants. According to reports, security forces fired tear gas shells and used other crowd dispersal measures after protesters allegedly resorted to stone pelting. Around 10 protesters were reportedly injured in the clash. The protesters had gathered at Kanglatongbi to demand justice for the 6 victims and legal action against those responsible for their deaths. Among those injured was reportedly the widow of deceased Fenrong Dibo, who was said to have been traumatized during the confrontation and was rushed to a nearby hospital for medical attention. The sit-in protest was organized by local indigenous groups at Kanglatongbi Bazaar under the banner of the United Naga Council, UNC. The protesters are demanding justice for the 6 Liangmai villagers who were allegedly abducted and subsequently killed. They are also opposing the ongoing census exercise until NRC is updated in Manipur.